Have you ever stopped to consider just how crucial weather forecasting is in our day-to-day lives? From planning our daily commute to preparing for severe weather conditions, accurate weather forecasts are a vital tool in our modern world. But, have you ever wondered just how these forecasts are made? Let's delve into the complex world of weather forecasting, from the National Weather Service headquarters to your local weather forecast offices. Our journey begins at the National Weather Service headquarters in Silver Spring, Maryland. Here, the functions of the entire National Weather Service are managed. This includes coordinating programs directly related to weather warnings and forecasting to ensure the compatibility and effectiveness of weather services. The headquarters ensure that climate, water, and weather warnings, forecasts, and data are provided to government, industry, and the general public. They also manage information technology resources and ensure a coordinated NOAA program of weather-related activities across NOAA line offices. From Silver Spring, we move to the 6 regional headquarters: Eastern, Southern, Central, Western, Alaska, and Pacific. These offices manage all operational and scientific meteorological, hydrologic, and oceanographic programs of their respective regions. They monitor these services and adjust resources to provide the most effective weather and warning services possible. Next, we visit the National Centers for Environmental Prediction. This organization is the starting point for nearly all weather forecasts in the United States. It delivers science-based environmental predictions and produces reliable, timely, and accurate analyses, guidance, forecasts, and warnings for the protection of lives and property and the enhancement of the national economy. Finally, we arrive at the local weather forecast offices. These offices are on the front lines, issuing advisories, warnings, statements, and short-term forecasts for their local county warning area. They work around the clock, every day of the year, to keep the public safe from weather hazards. In summary, the process of weather forecasting is a complex and coordinated effort that spans from the National Weather Service headquarters all the way to local weather forecast offices. It involves monitoring and managing a wide range of meteorological, hydrologic, and oceanographic programs, and delivering accurate and timely forecasts and warnings to protect lives, property, and the national economy.